Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another banger tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to add jiggle physics to your game. And I've seen a lot of tutorials. I had trouble with it when I saw other tutorials. So I'll be showing you what you exactly need to do for this to work. Alright. First things first, you're gonna want a model you're gonna want to add jiggle physics to. And yeah, you just want a model that you want to add to. So this is my player model for my game. This is what we're going to be adding it to. So I use this for my game. Monkeys. They'll be coming out in meta soon, but that aside, this is what I'm going to be using. Don't mind the texturing. It's a little weird. Here, I'll fix it real quick. Alright, there we go. All textured correctly. So as you can see, yep, we have this model. Alright. So once you have your model, make sure it's rigged correctly. So you have a rig on it, so animation rigging, bone runner setup, so you have the rig. And make sure your limbs on your player model, make sure those are separated. Make sure the limbs on your player model are separated, because you'll see why in a minute. Alright. So once you have your model set up with all the correct stuff, you're gonna want to join the Discord server. I'll have the link in the description. And you're gonna go into the channel that says Jiggle Physics. There will be a Google Drive link in here that will have the Jiggle Physics package that you want to download. So you download the package, import it to your game, and yep, you have that. So once you have that imported, we're gonna get started with that. So you're gonna want to go to your main player model part, so this part, and you're gonna want to lock it, add component, search for Jiggle, so Jiggle. Do Jiggle Rig Builder and Jiggle Skin. Alright, so for this example, I'm going to be doing the tail of my player model, which I forgot to add the texture on, so I'll do that real quick, but texturing doesn't really matter, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so yeah, we'll be doing it, for this example, I'll be doing the tail, but you can do this with any bone on your player model. Yeah, so yeah. So on the Jiggle Rig Builder, you're going to want to select the bone you want to do. So we're going to do bone 3, which is this first bone on my thing here. So just drag that on. Oh wait, whoops, you got to add the plus here, click the plus. Root transform, that is going to be your bone. Jiggle settings, I like to do jiggle. Just jiggle. I like to do that. And then go to your jiggle zone, click that, target, just do the same bone as you did up here. Jiggle settings, the exact same one. For the target skin, remember earlier how I said you want to separate the limbs of your player model or whatever model you're using? This is why. So you're gonna find the, for me it's this. Let me get the correct one. This is the limb I want to use, which is the tail. It's not really a limb, but you know, whatever. So you want to have this separated and drag it into target skin, just like that. Boom. And then that's pretty much it. So we can go into play. You'll see my player model pop up because of photon and everything. So yeah, just ignore that for now. We're just gonna be testing it on this one. All right. See how the so once you move, okay, so now we're in play mode. Alright, so now we're in play mode. Once you move the model up and down, you'll see that the tail jiggles. Here, I'll remove the, I will remove the, okay, we're going to remove the bone render so we can see it more clear. So, yep, select your player model, move it up and down, and you can see that it moves. So you can also set this up in your photon. So let's say you want to do the same thing on your photon player while the player moves. Like for example, you can do it on the hands like I did. You'll see that they have jiggle physics. I recommend turning the, if you're going to add it to your hands, I recommend turning the intensity on it a lot down. So like copy and paste the jiggle settings. Like copy and paste this and change it up until it's like, you know, not tweaking out when you move it a lot. But as you can see, when I hit the ground, the tail on my player model moves. So, yeah. That is how you add jiggle physics to your Gorilla Tag Fangame. If you, this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah.